How to turn off emergency SOS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Emergency SOS as shown. From this page, you can turn features like Call with Hold, Call with 3 presses, and Call quietly, on or off, manage your emergency contacts through the Health app, and even try a demo of the Emergency SOS feature. As you can see, the Call with Hold and Release feature is already turned on. Turn off this feature. After that, scroll down to the Crash Detection section and turn off the Call After Severe Crash feature. Tap on Turn Off to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily turn off emergency SOS on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.